please don't cry, it will be alright. But Mama, please don't cry, I will be alright. But now I won't. Mama, please don't cry, I will be alright. But Mommy, please don't cry, I will be alright.
Why would Mommy be crying?
Because she's in love with a criminal, and if she is a lot, and she wants to marry him, so the police officer will tell all the people not to tell her not to marry him.
Oh, because being in love with a criminal isn't a good idea, right?
Yeah. And I hate being in love with a criminal.
You like the song, but you wouldn't be happy if your sisters were in love with criminals, right?
Yeah, 2 criminals.
That's right. You'd protect them, right?
Yeah, even my dad might fight with me.
With him, you mean? The
With
criminal.
him.
All right.
Yeah.